Captain Mike here. Today we're going to replace these panels on the dashboard of this 540 Cruisers Express. They're currently carbon fiber. We're going to replace them with the same material. These have sustained some damage over the years by using wrong cleaning materials, things like that. We're going to clean up these radiuses, make everything neat and match. So watch along as we get started. Here we have the left-hand template made. Now we're going to work on the right. Okay, we got two templates made. Now the long curved one will be a little more challenging. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so we got our templates made. Brought everything back home here to the garage to do the cutting. We're going to transfer the templates to some hardboard. I'm just using some 1/2-inch birch plywood that I happen to have here. We're going to transfer it onto here. Cut these shapes out, and then we can use this to route the new carbon fiber templates. So here we go. Okay, so we transferred all our paper templates to the plywood. I got those all cut out, so I have all my plywood templates here. So we're going to take this now, clamp it to the new carbon fiber material, and then we'll use a flush edge router bit to cut those out for us. Okay, we got that traced out. Now we're going to cut it out. So I put some painter's tape around the line that I'm going to cut on, just to prevent the jigsaw, saber saw from scratching up any of the surface. There is a protective film on the top, but it's pretty thin. That will peel off when we're done. So just for a little extra precaution, I put some tape on there. Getting pretty nice smooth edges on it. Looks real nice. Make the last panel out of this template. Okay, so we got all our pieces cut out. If you look, it's got a pretty sharp edge on here, which I'm worried might cause some chipping. So I'm going to put a chamfer. I'm going to put a nice little edge all the way around this panel with a chamfer bit, and we'll see how that looks. So there, that took that nice sharp edge off, gave it a little bit of a round over edge. Looks pretty nice. We will, it still has the clear film on top, so these little hairs will go away when I peel that off, but looks a little nicer. Looks good. We got a nice eased edge now. Since it's an ABS plastic with a carbon fiber face, so I'm going to polish the edge too, just by rubbing a little acetone across it. Should give it a nice, take away any of the tool marks. and give it a nice clean shiny edge. Good. Okay, we're going to clean up those edges. Just a little paper towel and some acetone. You got to be careful not to get it on the carbon fiber face. Okay, that puts a good finish on it. Now we just have to route out the holes for the instruments. I got to get that all laid out, and we'll come back to that. Okay, we're going to cut the openings into the panels to receive the instruments. You can download all the templates from the manufacturer. Mine has Ray Marine, so I downloaded all the templates from Ray Marine. Transferred the templates to some wood and cut those out. So now I've got a good router template to give me some nice clean edges. So I'm going to cut out a rough opening with the saber saw like I did for the bigger panels, and then we'll finish it up with nice clean edges with the router bit. Okay, we got two more openings to make in this middle panel. One is for the autopilot, and another one I'm adding a remote SD card reader. Okay, so we got some nice clean openings now, rounded corners. You really don't want square corners. That's a stress point where it can fracture and any type of opening that you make. So the rounded corners, they match the templates. And now we're going to put some ceramic coating on it, give it a nice clean finish, a little protection on it. And that puts a nice shine on it. So, okay, we got them cut out. I'm going to hit them again with one more coat of Glide Coat ceramic coating. Puts a nice shine on it. And there we go. Those two are ready to go back in the boat. So we're going to pack everything up and head that way, and we'll pick up from there. Okay, we're going to start swapping out these panels. installed 2 new panels, removed the tri-data display. All that information is available on the MFDs, so don't need it there. Added a remote SD card reader. Still waiting on a new autopilot head. I'm going to be putting in a P70RS. And this panel over here, still waiting on some equipment there. I think we're putting in a Axiom 12 display in the middle. Move the Volvo Penta displays over to the right and the gauges to the right, and still have some room for an iPad. So here's the final product.